So after setting up the account in HubSpot, it asks you some basic questions to understand your comfort level with CRMs. And we are exploring the CRM functionality for completely new users. So let's say I will hit the I have never used CRM before button, and it would actually lead you to all the demo. You can go through that, but for now we will be skipping this demo because that's what we will be doing in the sections lately, where we would be discussing each of the feature within HubSpot CRM in detail. So for now, I will hit skip for now button. And so you now see that you have to pick a priority for your stuff. And considering the use case that we would be wanting to attract the new customers and promote our business online, so we would be going with the marketing preference. And here are some of the features which would be available, or more targeted towards the marketing side of things, which involve the landing pages and forms, some email campaigns, and the tracking codes that we will be talking shortly. So we would navigate and get started.